Our Smart Shopper is always coming to the rescue with savings for your family. And it's Tuesday night, so that means the grocery deals are in. Here's Daphne Monroe.
Save on chicken this week at Bash's'. You can get drumstick, thighs, or leg quarters for just 99 cents per pound. And you can buy up to 4 packs at that price.
Score one shank ham, half or whole, for just 99 cents per pound at Safeway this week. If you need some milk, you can buy a gallon of it at Safeway for $1.67 each. And you can get 2 one-gallon containers for that price. Save on some produce at Food City. You can buy 4 pounds of navel oranges for just $1, with a limit of 8 pounds for that price. Or try some cucumbers for cheap. You can get 8 cucumbers for $1 at Food City. Stop in at Fry's this week and buy 8 cans of Progresso soup for $10. That's $1.25 per can. Plus, Fry's has Cook's half ham on sale for 97 cents per pound, and you can buy 1 for that price. Stock up on bananas from Albertsons. They have Dole bananas for 39 cents a pound. Clip the coupon from Albertsons ad for some Campbell's Chunky Soup. You can buy 4 cans for $5. You can always save money when you buy in bulk. Sprouts is having 25% off all bulk on Friday, December 14th through Sunday, December 16th.
I'll have more Valley Grocery Store deals posted on our website. Just head over to abc15.com/smartshopper. I'm Daphne Monroe, your Smart Shopper.